Hello Chosen Ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to regrow trees in Witchspire. Gathering plenty of wood is an important part of progression in Witchspire. Whether you need it for crafting essential items or building your own home, cutting down trees will be something you'll be doing constantly throughout the game. Because of that, learning how to regrow trees efficiently can save you a lot of time in the long run. Before we get into crafting the ritual scrolls used for regrowing trees, we first need to unlock their recipes. Head into your luminaries and look for Ritual Scroll Set 1. Unlocking this will give you access to the basic regrowth spell for trees. If you're further into the game, you can also unlock Ritual Scroll Set 2, which grants access to stronger and more powerful ritual spells. Next, head over to your Witchcraft Circle and look for the 2-tree regrowth spells: Lesser Regrowth Scroll and Regrowth Scroll. The Lesser Regrowth Scroll becomes available through Ritual Scroll Set 1, while the Stronger Regrowth Scroll is unlocked through Ritual Scroll Set 2. To craft the Lesser Regrowth Scroll, you'll need Simple Ritual Candle, 1 Shimmering Ink, 5 Spirit Dust, and 1 Verdant Bloom. These materials are all relatively easy to obtain, and chances are you've already collected most of them naturally by the time you unlock the recipe. For the Stronger Regrowth Scroll, the recipe is slightly more expensive, requiring 1 Ritual Candle, 2 Shimmering Ink, and 2 Verdant Blooms. While it costs more resources, it also provides a much better effect. When you cast the Lesser Regrowth Scroll, it affects a small area around the target location. Once activated, several trees will grow within that radius, giving you fresh trees to harvest for wood. As an added bonus, regrown trees can sometimes provide spirit dust as well. The Stronger Regrowth Scroll works the same way, but covers a much larger radius, allowing you to spawn significantly more trees at once. This makes it the more efficient option if you need to farm large amounts of wood quickly. And that's everything you need to know about how to regrow trees in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.